Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and my beloved learners. Today I have taken you to another new and beautiful area, and I will show you different thing today. Today you will show here a river, and that has already been died, and these are created by a human being, and with a human being has created so disastrous condition for we ourselves. And here you can see. River, and the river is going to the fangs of death, and there is no water here, though the summer season it was supposed to water available here, but there is no water here due to the climatic disorder and natural calamities. And you know that on Bangladesh there has been a lot of natural disaster. The extremity of the sun is unbearable, and for this region a lot of people are becoming so sick, and the extremity of the heat is unbearable, and for this reason students are not able to take part in their exams. Here I will show you a beautiful bridge. The bridge has connected the railway of Bhuyapur, West Bhuyapur, and the Kutupur, and it is so much beautiful, and this place is very cool, and here you will get a heavenly atmosphere here, and you are invited to come here. And if you face so critical condition in your surroundings, in your area, in your home, you will also come here to enjoy a scenic beauty as well as the cool and calm environment. And there is no place people here now, and the students of Ibrahim Khan College, and students people from different areas always come here, and there is seen huge people, common people always. And today I have a great opportunity, and for this reason, I am here with my beloved teacher, Mr. Shihabuddin. And today we will exchange our views and opinions with you. And for this region, I am walking on the railway line, and I have shown different things here. And in previous videos I have shown you the condition and the beautiful description of railway line of West Bhuapur, and it's a very traditional one. There is no place, no people here, and I have got time, and due to the extremity of the heat, the exam of secondary level has been cancelled by the government. And for this reason, I will show you my beloved teacher, Mr. Shiabuddin, who is smiling to see you, because we cannot bear such types of critical environment. And for this reason, we are here, and I will show you the railway line. And there is no rail here standing on the railway line. And if any rail comes here, I will show you the rail, and I will show you the natural beauty of here. And that is very beautiful. And here a lot of trees that are laden with huge green leaves, and nowhere in our Bhuyapur so calm and cool place like it. And for this reason I am here, and you are invited. I have previously told you that the place is so much heavenly and fine, and if you get any scope, you will come here surely. And that's all for today. Keep the best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.